$1 billion sourcing from India annually, and 300 me to speak a few words. Thanks.
So it is only fitting that we have the capability to have a line to make those freighters here in India, not just for India, but for the region and for the world.
Thank you. Our ability to deliver the 737 vertical fin today out of Hyderabad is a great example. These things didn't exist just a few years ago. In 2015, these were just ideas, but they were committed ideas of partners. And so today, as we launch this committed idea of partnership.
You know, we've grown in India over the last 3-4 years under his leadership. So I'd like to...
We're thrilled. We're thrilled that we get to mark the progress globally in cargo and freighter operations with this announcement of a Boeing converted freighter operation. We're thrilled that this extends the 75 years of partnership that we have built steadily with India generation by generation. We're thrilled with the fact that this will add to the $1 billion in sourcing that we now do together with our Indian supply chain partners. And we're thrilled that this will only further support our partnerships and relationships with the airlines of India